2 teaspoons of this a day and melts a lot of fat from your belly. This remedy we bring you is 100% natural, which you can prepare from your home with healthy foods that, besides giving you benefits with its powerful properties, will allow you to reduce up to 1 centimeter of belly fat per day. These foods that we will introduce you later, you can get it in any supermarket. Phenomenal, no? If you take 2 tablespoons of this remedy per day for 2 weeks, and how you will explain, you will get fascinating results. Then we will present the benefits you will get. You will increase your metabolism, fight against fluid retention, improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, contribute energy to your body, fight insomnia and facilitate the sweating of the body, helping to release all those toxins that are. The ingredients you will need for this drink will be as follows: 4 lemons, the juice, 2 inches of fresh ginger, 3 spoonfuls of honey, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, half a cup of cold water. How can we make this powerful drink? 1. We must mix all the ingredients mentioned above in the blender for about 3 minutes. Then put this mixture in a glass jar with lid, and consume 1 teaspoon twice in the day before each meal. 2. Perform this procedure for 2 weeks and repeat the procedure. Do not forget that you should always keep this drink